Hi, I'm Dr. Barbara Ezra. I'm a naturopathic physician here at Desert Wellness Center. And today I want to introduce you to a wonderful technique called EFT tapping. So basically, it is combining cognitive therapy with acupressure points. So by pressing on specific points on your hand and your head and face and upper chest, you can actually calm yourself, help with mood, help with pain, even pain conditions, as well as even optimizing your goals that you have for yourself, because a lot of times we are not reaching our goals and that vision, that ideal vision that we have for ourselves, because of the self-limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that we have about ourselves. And so EFT tapping can actually help to reset those beliefs so that they actually are more positive, and help you achieve the things that you want in your life. We know that these acupuncture points actually are muscle trigger points, and they have a high density nerve bundle fibers. So it's basically like a direct connection from the brain to these points. And so by doing the EFT tapping, we are sending a calming message to your brain, specifically the amygdala, which is the primitive part of our brain that connects emotions with memories. The amygdala is responsible for processing our emotions, and so the EFT tapping allows us to be able to reset these emotions into something more positive. We know that emotional health is absolutely vital to your physical health. Some even argue that 90% or more of pain conditions have an underlying emotional component, even though we may not always be aware of what that component is. Something that I really like to use with my patients, because it's so simple to do, by going through a sequence of statements and tapping different parts of your head and your hand and chest as you're going through these statements, and really helping to rewire the brain, reset those emotions so that you are actually feeling more positive. You can do it even preventatively. If you have some event coming up that you're feeling stressed about, public speaking, or even during an acute situation where you're experiencing extreme pain, maybe even experiencing a panic attack in the middle of the night. This is such a great tool that patients can have in their tool bag so that they can actually deal with whatever's happening in their life and feel calmer and more positive. And what's so wonderful about this technique is that it can be done in under 2 minutes, and really anywhere. You can do it at home, at the office, in your car. It really doesn't matter where you are. You can do this in as little as 2 minutes, or continue repeating the sequence if you're needing to do it longer, depending on what you have going on. I think EFT tapping is definitely a vital resource that any person can benefit from. It doesn't matter if you're a child, an elderly person, if you're female, male. We all have stuff that's going on in our lives, and we all can benefit from having one extra simple little tool that we can pull out at any time to help us get through whatever situation that we're going through.